What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here, and as you can tell, I have a very special guest today. I am going to be doing my mom's makeup.
Hi all.
Shardy looks great without makeup. She really doesn't need it. That's where I get my good genetics from. She has great skin, but it's going to be fun to do somebody else's makeup other than my own. So if you are interested in watching this, then please keep watching.
So I'm excited to see what how you're gonna transform me, and especially it will be good for any older members of your audience.
Yeah.
To see how.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Alright, so first I'm going to use the primer that has SPF in it. And then next I'm going to use the pore refining primer. So this basically smooths and blurs your pores.
That sounds great.
Anywhere you have larger pores. Hyperpigmentation going on.
Wait till you see me after a couple glasses of wine. Hyperpigmentation comes right out.
Now let's move on to contouring. Yay!
Make my nose look good, please.
Now kind of go like this, so I can get where your cheekbone is. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I think it came out really good.
Yeah, loving it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up on your way out if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.